Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace fog lights on your Subaru Outback. First, gather your essential tools, including a flathead screwdriver or a trim tool, a 10mm socket, and a ratchet. You will also need your new H11 fog light bulb or a complete assembly. Always ensure your vehicle is safely parked on a level surface with the engine off and the parking brake engaged before starting any work. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement process. Now let's access the fog light. Get underneath the front bumper and locate the plastic splash shield. You will see several pushpin retainers securing it. Use your flathead screwdriver or a trim tool to carefully pry out the center of each retainer, then remove the entire clip. Once the retainers are out, gently pull down the splash shield to create enough space to reach the back of the fog light assembly. With access gained, you can now replace the fog light. If replacing just the bulb, twist the old bulb counterclockwise by about 1/4 turn and pull it out. Then, squeeze the locking tab on the electrical connector to disconnect it. If replacing the entire assembly, remove the two 10mm nuts and any remaining push pins. Install your new bulb by twisting it clockwise to secure it, or mount the new assembly, then firmly reconnect the electrical wiring. Finally, it's time for reassembly and testing. Carefully push the splash shield back into its original position against the bumper. Reinsert all the plastic pushpin retainers, ensuring they click securely into place. Once everything is fastened, turn on your vehicle's ignition and activate the fog lights to confirm they are working correctly. Double-check that all connections are tight and secure before you hit the road. Great job, you're all set.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.